Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm here to introduce you to my new beard balm. So as you can see, I started off just showing my beard because I want you to see like the growth over time. I wish you could have seen like the beginning stages so you can kind of have an idea of the growth that can come with this beard balm that I created, that I'm proud of. What you want to do when you're applying this beard balm, you want to make sure you're cleaning your beard. That means no buildup, no anything should be between there. So you need to get a comb like this. I'm actually selling the comb as well. I will put that in the description. I'm selling those particular combs. So what you want to do is comb through, man. You see how it's going through like so smooth? It's no type of snapback. It's easy to groom through. That's what you want. That's kind of that lets you know like, okay, you're going in the right direction. You don't want any dirt on your face, man. That causes your face to break out. Nobody wants to go through that. So what you want to do is continue to comb through until you got everything out. It may be lint, whatever you have in there. You do not want any buildup, man. You want to be able to maneuver through those hairs. Look at that hair. It's shiny, right? Without the beard balm. So let's go to my product. Let me introduce it. This is Kraze. So I thought about putting like the lion in the back because I think with anything, you know, like if it's manly, it comes off as being fierce, strong. So I was like, what can I have to symbolize that? So I put the lion in the back of Kraze, and this is really dope, man. As you can see, like it's not too much going on, but it's a lot that can attract the eye. So I'm like, okay, this is definitely the product that I want to go with. And why not name it Kraze? Because, you know, it's a way of saying crazy, but I spelt it different. So I just flipped the whole thing. As you can see, I got that black on black. It's like a blue, like dark bluish background. So I'm really feeling that, man. So if you could please support my product, I promise you this is like going to be the top beard balm out. You just wait, man. Don't sleep on it before it's too late, you know what I mean? Because once it starts selling, you may not be able to get a hold of it. That's how the backside looks. So I was thinking about it for the longest, like, should I do like just the top or should I do the bottom? So it all worked out, if you ask me. And as you can see, it shows when it was actually established. So if you're trying to be creative, man, make sure you're thinking about it long and hard before you do come out with your product. But let's get to it, the inside of this. So as you can see, man, it's so smooth. Like, it's so smooth. And I think that's what attracted me to like me making this, because I'm like, yo, it is really smooth. And as you can see, I'm rubbing my finger through. And that's the type of like soft moisture that you want to feel when you rub your hands through the beard balm, because really, in all honesty, you're supposed to only come out with like a coin size of that product in your hand, or you know, your index finger. So that's what I'm going to do right now, and I'm going to show you guys like the testing process of everything. So I'm rubbing it as of right now to show you like how soft it is. It's really smooth, man. I know when I had like beard balms in the past, it's so much buildup that it's like frustrating. And that type of buildup, like that beard balm being that thick, it just sticks in your hair and it's hard for you to like get it out. So I wanted something where you can rub it in your hair and you can also see the results at the same time. And on top of that, your chin, I mean not your chin, but your hair is like shiny and glooming everywhere. So as you can see, I just want you guys to see like the inside of it and see how easy it was for me like to rub my fingers through. So yeah, man, like that's just like so much detail. And I love the back. It's like that rugged feel, but it still looks dope, you know? So let's get to it. I'm rubbing it through my chin, and I promise you, man, like, it feels like nothing is there the whole time I'm rubbing it through my chin. And it really makes me feel proud, because if I'm putting out a product, I want it to be the best. I want it to be everything to, you know, my clients. So this is what they consider a coin size, and what you want to do, you want to rub it in gently and just massage your hair, man. Massage your face. You know, you should be doing that anyways, but you gotta make sure that it's really in there before you use that comb and comb out everything. And as you can see, it's already shiny. Like, that's how you know it's like that good product. If you can see the hair follicles just shining, it's just like so amazing, man. Like, can I say more? Like, and make sure you grab this comb. This comb is going to be everything for you. You see, they have like the small teeth on the other side, and they have the larger teeth on the other side. That's for like the thicker beards, or if you have like a lot of hair on your face. But me, I'm like, I wish you guys would have seen this, because like in the beginning I had no hair, and I knew when I was using like the other beard balms, I'm like, why is my beard not growing? But as you can see now, like, it's really growing from where it was at, and it's growing fast. I kid you not. It had to be like, I want to say less than a month before I got to this point. You know what I mean? So if you follow the steps, you apply it every day, I don't see why this would be a problem for you. Like, you should be easily able to obtain the same type of hair growth that I have within this short amount of time. Like, this is dope, man. What I'm doing next, I'm going to trim myself up. So if you guys like really want to go into like cutting yourself up, that way you don't have to go to a barber all the time, I suggest getting these clippers off of Amazon. They don't cost much at all. I think I paid like $50, if even. I think it was like less than that. But you can trim yourself up after putting on the beard balm, just to give yourself like a crispy look, you know what I mean? But hey, let me know what you guys think. Please like, please subscribe. I'm going to be dropping more videos. I'm going to be dropping more products. And with that being said, hey, you guys have a nice day, man, and make sure you make that purchase. I will have the link in the description, and like that, check out the rest of this video, and I'm out.